Hi there, welcome back to another tutorial. So in that tutorial we're just gonna learn about the Adobe Illustrator, something special tools, and that is really interesting, and that's the really best tools. So what are we waiting for? Let's do that. Today we are learning about the shape builder tools. You know, the iExpert give you all the single tools knowledge, so you can use it, and you can, so if you don't have any kind of knowledge about Adobe Illustrator, so if you watching this or watching our all the videos, you can learn how to use it and how to use it. So what are we waiting for? Let's do that. So this is the tools name is the shape builder tools, and shape builder tools, the short form is shift plus M. Shift plus M. When you press the shift plus M, you just got your shape builder tools option. So on first, as always, when you work on design, so you have to need any kind of shape or object. So takes a shape, for example. So we have take this shape, just copy it, and then another copy. So you see that. So in here we you see that in here we got the shapes like this, just shape like this, and you know, so in here we have this shape object. So first of all I want to clear, so when you use the pathfinder you can click one by one, but in here, so the shape builder tools, you have the easy option. You need any object, you can cut down any kind of object. So that's really easy material. So what are you waiting for? So then first of all you have to select the object you want to work on, and then click the select this shape builder tools, and yeah, when you just click any kind of object in here, so you see that this color will be faded, and you got a new shape color. So it works like that. So when you click, and you got the shapes, you know, this color change, and you got something shape changers option. So now I'm going to show you, say you one thing. So when you just click it together, for example, so you have this and we have this. So when you just click together like this shape builder tools and just click it, it will be unit. You see that this part is unit option, so it will be unit automatically. So you see that part is automatically unit. So like this. So when you just drag, just click, first of select the object, and then when you just click it, you see that it's like unit. And one option thing, when you just press the alter on your keyboard, alter on your keyboard, just it, when you click, it's a remover, it's removed. See that, you just boom and remove, and just click, you see that's really interesting. Press the alter and click, press the alter and click, so it's a remove your object. So this is really simple and easy method. So you can make a cut and unit without using the pathfinders option. So that's really and pretty much interesting. And so this how you can you just make any kind of object shape into its design. So that's really pretty much. So I have made some tools in here. You see, I just make using some shape in here. You see that's that rectangle. Just let's do that. You see that in here we have this in here we have used the many rectangle tools option and the triangles in here. So let's make ice cream using this. So first of all it has fill color, stroke color, then make it fill color. So just fill color something, and then send to back, and just color it like just remove this stroke color. You see this, then in here with this part, and you in here, that's all the not unit together. So you can get one in here, one in here, so that's together. And how to make it? We can make it unit in Pathfinder, but we are not clicking it. We can make it in Shape Builder tools and just click it and group them together. So you see that it's almost make them together. So it's now it's a really easier way to method. So in here we just make another shapes. So it's really don't worry about that. First we take a shapes very first. So we just take a shape like this and just make it. And that's why it's I make this before, so you can make it. So this how you can get any kind of shape. So now I'm going to show you. So make this color fill color, just any kind of color. Then you see that this just select. Very first you have to select the object, or if you don't select the object, this Shape Builder tools will not work. So first of all, just select the shapes, and then you just click the Shape Builder tools, and then when you press the alter, it will be some object will be removed. See that? And that's when click press the alters, and then just select and Shape Builder tools like this. You see this now is totally object. So that's now we have the talking bubbles, and this is pretty much an easier method, and you can make any shape, you make any design using your ideas in the Shape Builder tools. So that's pretty much now I'm just going to describe this this pretty much easier. So in here you can see that. Just remove it. So first of all, take a shape like this, just take a shape, and you can follow my style in here. I just take a shape and just color on stroke. So first of all, make this background color, just make it black. Okay, so for better visualization it will help you. So then just this color, make it something different color. So what will happen? So it will be happen to best visualization for you. And you see that. So we have this, make this, and now what to do? So then just select before working, you have to select this per objects. So then use the Shape Builder tools. Shape Builder tools, and press this alter. Again the alter. Do you see that? Just alter. Ooh. It's really fun and much interesting, So we have make this just using the Shape Builder tools. That's the Batman's logo. So in here some issues in here, so you can use the Batman, you can use the shape in a very cleverly, so you can cut down perfectly. And that's it. That's enough for today's. And thank you so much for you guys, for much love and respect, and you are still watching this video. That's mean you are so you want to learn that. So I will invite you to, if you want to learn the Adobe Illustrator or the Photoshop, any kind of software, so you can visit our channel. So that's really helpful for you. And thank you so much. And please press the subscribe button, and that is completely free, because so making video is not funny games, so we have to spend a lot of time. So when you just click the subscribe button, that's help me and that's motivate me and make this family bigger, because we are the part of this family. If you subscribe, this family will be bigger. And thank you so much guys for your love and respect. And please, if you have any confusion, any kind of so you can comment down below. I will try to answer everything. And thank you so much guys. And you get this what you want, and wish you proper respect your time. And if you think that's really useful for you, please subscribe and make this family bigger. If we make it together, we can make these changes. And thank you so much.